Welcome to an Orthodox workshop. In this episode, we're going to flash back to the summer of 2018, where a dear friend of mine, Andrew Martin, helped me shoot a video of the assembly of our Dovetail joinery casket. And I hope you enjoy it.
Hello everyone, I'm Andy Martin, a parishioner at St. John of the Ladder Orthodox Church in Greenville, South Carolina. And with me is my co-parishioner, Rick Ike. How you doing, Rick?
Doing well, thanks, Andy. A few years ago, one of the members of our burial society handed me this book. It's called A Christian Ending by Deacon Mark Barna. And he's on the coast in Charleston in one of our sister churches. And so I read through this book and it opened my eyes to a lot of things about Christian burial that I didn't know. And one of the things that Deacon Mark talks about is about being prepared. And so one of the ways he suggests being prepared is to have a casket ready at all times. But I got to thinking, boy, I don't think every church has a carpenter.
Yeah.
So I thought, boy, wouldn't it be great to design a casket that anybody could assemble at any time?
Sure.
And you wouldn't have to have it assembled and stored somewhere. You could have it in a box ready to assemble. So that's what we're going to talk about today.
Good.
Let's have someone like you, who's not known as a carpenter, put it together.
By someone like me, he means someone who is not very handy.
I didn't mean
someone
that.
who is physically incompetent. Yeah, so if I can do it, anybody can do it. That's
right.
The idea.
Exactly.
And your vision would be that sort of this flat packed casket that everybody or every church in America could have one of these. Every Orthodox church.
You can keep it in a closet and put it together in a few minutes when you need it.
All right. Well, let's go take a look at the pieces. How does that sound?
Sounds great.
So first things first, as always, you're working with wood and you're assembling something. So I've been told I need to wear gloves and safety goggles.
That's right.
So safety first. Aside from that, Rick, what tools do we need?
All you need is a cordless drill. It's going to come with the right bit.
Yep.
And it's also going to come with the right amount of screws. So let's start the assembly.
All right.
Start off by just flipping one of the sides over. Let's go ahead and flip over Holy Mighty.
Okay. Oh, look at that. There's a track right there.
Yeah, there's a tracker dado right in there, and you'll move the handles out of the way.
Okay.
And then lift up the head or the Holy God piece.
Okay.
And you'll just align the tracks.
Oh, look at that. There's a track right there.
That's
So
right.
literally just line them up and what? Push this in?
Yep, just fit them right in.
All right. Let's see.
That slides in.
Snug as a bug in a rug.
Yep. And then you'll slide in the base or the Holy Have Mercy on Us piece.
Look at that. Beautiful fit.
All right, so now you want to take the base
Yep.
and slide it into the track.
Keep them both going down.
And you should hear a positive lock.
Yeah. Yep, there's a click right there. That clicks perfect. And yep, I got it.
All right,
Feels
and
sturdy.
now just put the Holy Immortal side on.
Wow, that's just such a great fit. You know, I was initially worried that I was going to have to kind of like pound it in or something like that, and it certainly, you know, can be secured, but the pieces are cut to just fit right in together.
Let's put some screws in it.
Okay. When you ship this, are these holes pre-drilled for every unit?
Yes, everything's pre-drilled.
And now we put the top on, right?
Yeah. And once again, all the pilot holes are pre-drilled. So if you get one started, then you should be all set.
Yep.
All right, congrats. Well done.
Barely even broke a sweat, but it wasn't because the job was hard. It was because of this South Carolina humidity.
Yeah, that's right, that's right.
Yeah. So there we are. Stand it up.
Yeah.
Ah, super sturdy.
Yeah.
And you've weight tested this too, right?
Oh yeah. This is not gonna come apart. So it's real sturdy and it's pretty easy to put together. So well done.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
You know, I want to show everybody one more thing.
Sure.
So Rick, I wanted everybody to see, I mean, that raw piece that I was working with, right?
Right.
It looks great, it's beautiful, but you were talking about some of the things that can be done to finish this casket. So just tell us a little bit about what you've done with this one.
This is called a maple plywood, and you can inlay across, and then you can paint the letters.
Yep.
So that looks nice with a gold paint. This can all be done and then shipped to you finished as well.
Rick, I believe that it is a work that you're doing that really is a good service to the people in the church, and I hope God blesses it. And thanks for showing us how to put this thing together. I feel rather accomplished.
Thanks, man. Well done.
Yeah, appreciate it.